$30,000, no docs, stated income, personal loan with Navy Federal. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Guys, if you don't know who Navy Federal Credit Union is, it's the largest credit union in the world. They're known for giving out generous limits on the personal side, $20,000, $25,000, $15,000 credit cards. Guys, let me know in the comments if this is your first time here so I can show you some love. Put in the comments first time. All right, guys, so before I get started though, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button, smash that like button. It does help with the algorithm. All right, so we're at Navy Federal. You go loan and credit cards and you click on personal loans, right? Then you're going to come here. They have plans and terms that go up to 60 months, up to 36 months, up to 60 months. The higher the term, as far as months, the higher the interest rate is going to be typically. The lower the term, the lower the interest rate typically is how it works. Now, a couple things you want to keep in mind. So this is no docs, stated income. What does that mean? No docs. You don't have to split any pay stubs, any documentation to show that you're working or that you have a job, right? So it's no docs, no documentation, no bank statements, anything like that, no tax returns. Stated income is basically what that means, stated income. Now, as far as the income, they're going to go off of the two major things that qualify you for you to get approved for a personal loan with any institution, any bank, is your credit score and your income, right? Income is important because if you make $20,000, why would I loan you $50,000? Does that make sense? Why would I loan someone 50,000 where they barely make 20,000? So that's why that's an important factor in mitigating the bank's risk, because they don't want to lend to someone who can't pay it back, who doesn't make enough income to support that debt. And another thing is your DTI. So on your personal side, if you have a lot of debt to income, a lot of debt to your debt to income, if you have a lot of debt on your personal side, you will probably get a lower amount. So that's relative to what you make and what your debt is compared to that income. Does that make sense? So they go up to 50,000. Anything over 50,000, they are going to ask for docs, bank statements, W-2s, maybe tax returns. So you only want to apply for the amount that you would, anything before 50,000, unless you want to apply for something more and then you can provide the documents. That's great. But typically, if your credit is in place, and I'm going to talk about my data points, if your credit is in place and you have the income, you will probably get an automatic approval, and you would have to sign a promissory note saying that you're going to pay back that debt. And then you get, if once you do all that paperwork, you can get the funds direct deposit into your bank account within 10 to 15 minutes. I got mine right away. I was instantly approved. I didn't have to submit any docs. So one thing you want to point out, I mean, you shouldn't be getting a personal loan to go on vacation or for personal reasons. You want to be getting a personal loan either to consolidate debt, or if you have something you want to invest in that you think that can get you a great return. But let me know in the comments if you guys ever got this personal loan. What were your data points? What was the amount? And what was your credit score? So for me, when I applied at the time of the application, my I believe my credit score was a 760 or 65, somewhere in that range. I don't remember. It was a few years back. So it was like a 760, something like that. And then also they pull from TransUnion. They pull from TransUnion. So they will be doing a hard pull on your personal side, and it's usually from TransUnion. But again, if you have the income and you have the score, it'll be an automatic approval, and you get to sign that promissory note within right away, and you get that deposit right into your bank account within 10 to 15 minutes. That's my time. My name, Toby Rosario. Peace.